Okay, Sahil, you just passed your driving test. Congratulations again. Just tell us what happened during the test. What questions did the driving examiner ask you at the beginning of the test?
It was pretty much easy. Like, he asked me about the hazard lights and how to adjust the seats. And then we went off and took a ride from Birdwood Street and did the maneuvers.
Okay. What maneuvers did you do?
First we did a U-turn and after that a reversing exercise.
And where was the U-turn? Was it at the intersection, T intersection, end of a road?
Yeah, it was a T intersection.
Okay.
The same place where we practice most of the time. It's usually that place.
Okay, great. And did you go to highway as well?
Yeah, we got onto the motorway. I
Okay.
don't remember exactly where, but we went.
Okay.
Yeah.
The test was at 11:10, so no school zones. But did you go to the motorway? Okay. And were you never see the test?
I was a bit nervous during the start, but the instructor was really nice. We kept on talking throughout the test and it helped me. Yeah.
Cool. And how did you manage to control your nerves? Was that because the examiner was talking to you? You were a bit more relaxed, or what did you do?
I think for me it helped. The examiner was talking, so it just felt like a driving lesson, not like a test. He was a pretty nice, relaxed guy.
Great. You had one minor error during your test. Can you tell us what was that?
It was one of the when we exit the motorway on the Logan Road. So there's one keep clear sign. So while we were moving, the lights started flashing. So I stopped and I wasn't required to. So that was just one minor error.
Okay, great.
This is where Sahil received his only minor mark. He was supposed to turn right onto this road. There are two things to note here: the yellow flashing lights and the keep clear road marking. These flashing lights, accompanied by a yellow traffic light sign and a red prepare to stop sign, are typically installed on top of hills where there is a traffic light at the bottom of the hill. Due to limited visibility down the hill, these flashing lights serve as a warning to slow down and prepare to stop for the red light. You may also encounter these flashing lights around sharp bends where there is a traffic light. When you see these flashing lights, you should reduce your speed and be ready to stop for the upcoming red light. Additionally, there is a keep clear road marking here, which indicates that you must always keep this space clear and avoid stopping on it. If the traffic is heavy and cars are stopped behind the keep clear marking and you don't have enough room on the other side of the marking, you must come to a stop behind the solid white line and wait for the traffic to clear before proceeding. The examiner instructed Sahil to turn right here, so he should have simply slowed down and safely made his turn. But he got confused by the flashing lights and solid line and came to a brief stop here.
But now you know that what was
Yeah,
the
yeah,
flashing
yeah,
light
that's
for.
right.
Yeah, just to give you a warning that the traffic sign down the hill is red. Okay, great. Any recommendations for students who go for the driving test?
Well, I would say just believe in the training and trust the process and be confident during the driving test. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, Dr. Sahil. It was nice meeting you and congratulations again.
Thank you again.
Thank you.